we are at the NFT Museum. We've got Shawn Kemp's Boundary Swirl sculptures in the box. Kind of want to show you what it's like to open these up. Alright, interesting. Okay. So it comes with the front and back covering. Says this artwork is created from layers of wood that is carved with an extremely powerful beam of pure light. You might notice the faint smell of a campfire. This is normal. Enjoy. Each layer is finished with a natural shellac that is custom tinted with vibrant dyes and ink. It's a full sensory experience, so please touch it, smell it, and view it. It's dimensional and made from layers of wood, so it will change with the environment and play with light and shadow. It may even bow and flex over time depending on the temperature and humidity. Whoa! It's signed on the back. Boundary Swirl, Shawn's signature. It's cool.
It's totally awesome. Turn it upside down. I mean, I don't know which way you can. I like it like that one.
This way?
Yeah. It's like a wave coming through the sun.